Welcome to another Fallout hosting tutorial. In this tutorial, we will go over how to install XAMPP on your CentOS 7 server. We will need to install some prerequisites, so type in yum install wget zip unzip git java and nettools. Now that the install of the prerequisites have finished, let's go get XAMPP. So on the download page, we'll grab 7.2.5 by click the download button and copy the link. Type in wget and paste the link in. We will need to change the permissions of the installer before we can run it. So type in chmod 775 XAMPP, hit tab to autocomplete. And run it by typing /XAMPP, hit tab to autocomplete, then hit enter. Hit enter on all the prompts. Our XAMPP install has finished. Now, unlike the CentOS 6, we don't need to do anything extra to get it to work. We just need to type in /opt /lamp start. And everything starts normally. Now, we need to do one more thing. We need to set the security, like in CentOS 6. So opt lamp security. Remove remote access. Set password for PMA. Set password for root. Set password for daemon. And now we just need to edit the PHP MyAdmin to be able to be accessible from outside localhost. So we will type in v/opt/lamp/etc/httpd-xampp.conf. Go down to the line that says require local and change that to require all rented. Restart your LAMP install. And now we can go and check our LAMP server to see if it's running. So in the browser, go to the IP of your server. You need to be greeted with a XAMPP welcome page. Check PHP MariaDB for access. Look at your PHP info. And now we have one more step. If your server were to reboot, your LAMP server will not start automatically. So we need to set it to start up at boot up. So we will put in ln-s/opt/lamp/lamp/etc/init.d/lamp. And then check config --add lamp. And that's how you install XAMPP on your CentOS 7 server. Thank you for watching.